The most important reason is we are well known in the premium space, because premium Mansion House Premium Brandy is a well known brandy in this premium brandy segment. It is a natural progression for us to work on the positive of the brand name Mansion House and take it on to a different category, that is Mansion House whiskey. So you see that happening in so many companies. You have a very strong brand name and you would take it over different categories. So I think we are no exception, and I think if you have a brand that enjoys a very good command on and has a great consumer franchise, why would I not use that on a different category? And if consumer is ready to accept a premium offering from the house of Tilak Nagar, and we are there to give it to him. This is the first foray for us into the premium whiskey segment. We have launched last year, we launched Black Power. That was in the regular, it's a power brand or a regular brand segment. And we do have some brands which are lower than that. But this is a first foray for us into the premium whiskey segment. And we are now taking on the MNCs. We are going to take on the MNCs. We are going to take on the large Indian players, and pan-Indian presence will come through this brand. We expect this brand to take 8 to 10% of the markets it's going to get launched. As far as investments is concerned, it is possibly one of the costliest products to make in this category, and that I can categorically state that, because I know that what's gone into making that product, and I want the consumer to discover that and gives his thumbs up for this product. So that is from a product investment. If you see the packaging, you see the kind of tamper-proof cap that we are giving to QP, and we are giving the tamper-proof cap to all the quarts, pints and nips. Sometimes companies just give it on the bigger bottle and leave it on the smaller bottle, but we are doing that. We are giving it the complete value to this product. But what's most important is the blend and the kind of quality that's gone into that blend, and that's where most of our investments are going to be. And no doubt you have to make the consumer aware of this product, and you will see our campaign breaking out by April 15th across the south. See, our market price in Andhra Pradesh is 484. That compares with Royal Stag or McDowell Platinum whiskey, and that's the case across the country. Like in Maharashtra it's 600 rupees and a bottle for 600 rupees, and some markets we are possible plus minus up, but that's more because of not by design, that's more by some legacy of that market, saying that once you given a price you can't change it, or we are stuck with some price which is not substantially different from where we want it to be, but it's technically different, yes.